So there's 6 GoPro cameras that are all attached to the same system. So they use this very complex programming that stitches all the images together. So it gives the sensation that it's a uniform atmosphere. Yeah, it's very interesting. So what drew you to come to the World Mobile Congress?
Well, the innovations, so just to see what's going on, what's possible, and it's amazing. It's a lot of fun.
Are you related to like communication sector, or is it just a personal interest?
Mainly it's personal interest because I'm in the retail business, but I think also in the retail business with the smart cities and connectivity is really important, so it's both.
What about yourself?
I'm part of the exhibition here. I'm representing an American company called GenBand, and we exhibit here on the show. That's the best place to be in terms of connecting with customers and prospects from all over the world.
So now we have a second platform for you to tell us a bit what your company's about.
Yeah. GenBand is a real-time communications company. We do everything that's connected to voice and real-time communication as a whole in terms of cloud services, but also infrastructure services for customers in the telecommunications sector mainly.
It's very interesting. So what of the things that you have seen up to date has been, like, caught your attention? What's been very interesting for you?
Well, maybe the Watson dress, for example, like the dress from Watson, from IBM, where the color changes, like in which mood you are actually, and that was really pretty amazing and good to see. And then the other one is from Sony, the Agent, also something that I haven't seen before and experienced before, and it was quite cool because you could you have a lot of different use cases, and you can really like try it out and find out how it works. So,
did you find out how the dress actually works to adjust to your mood?
Well, it did. Well, I tried it. Yes, yeah, I tried it. It went blue, which stands for excitement. So that was quite interesting to see, and all the algorithms that are behind it, and trying to catch the mood you're in. And you had to, I think I had to answer 6 questions or so, and then they found out which mood I'm in.
Oh, so it's not based on like thermo. Temperatures, no.
It's just about questions and about your mood, and in the end, the dress shows you the color that matches you best.
Interesting. What did you find most interesting about the Congress?
I think it's still early days, but the connected car stuff seems to be everywhere, and the Internet of Things. These are the 2 topics that, on top of 5G, dominate the show. It's going to be another interesting couple of years for the industry. It's good that new topics are coming to town, not only 5G, but for example here in the hall also the carriers are doing a lot of very innovative things, and not only the vendors. So that's keeps me positive mood for the industry.
What do you find so attractive or interesting about these automated cars?
I think the car industry has a lot of challenges in front of themselves. It is, first of all, the mobility concept that's changing in terms of self-driving cars, then the discussion about fuel-driven cars or solar or battery. That's the next revolution that's coming. So a lot of the car industry has been very innovative over the last, let's say, 100 years or so, or more. And now they have to go through another reinvention cycle now, these days. And that's a good proof point that this car industry is not dead. It's still at the forefront of technology and innovation.
Concerning this particular model, I know it's not solar powered. Do you think it's compatible to integrate both all the automation and the technology involved and also have it solar powered, or does that require too much energy consumption?
Well, I think solar power is nothing that can drive a car yet. It's not efficient and effective. I think the fuel cells that are used in some of the advanced models, in the hybrid models from BMW or even in the Tesla, these are the ones that can generate enough energy to also have all of those highly automated systems run by a couple of hours or even more. don't forget that all of those cars need to be recharged after a couple of hours of driving anyway. And therefore, I think some of the innovative systems will actually be in the next generation of those cars. Absolutely, yes.
Excellent. That's 10 minutes of our interview. Thank you so much for having us here in our studio, 360 studio. Hope you enjoyed the interview, and I hope you enjoy the rest of your Congress. Thank you so much. Thank you, honestly. You too.
And what is the link where I can find all that?
So,